Hi, this is a brand new Chinese TMG Industrial Kochler powered stump grinder. In this video, we will assemble the stump grinder and see how it works. The Chinese stump grinder is like the original, but was missing a piece of the wheel, so we had to make one. We put the rest of the stump grinder together and everything was good, other than pouring the oil in. We had to use a funnel and the oil still got everywhere. Also, the stump grinder came with a container to put tools in attached to it, with lots of tools inside. We're done assembling the stump grinder. Let's go grind a stump. Before we start grinding, we need to scrape away all the dirt and rocks around the stump, because the stump grinder can't grind rocks. The stump grinder also can't grind tall stumps, so we have to get rid of the tall half first. To do that, we need to chop the bark off the stump so we can use the chainsaw without wrecking it. Then, chop the top of the stump off with the axe. Finally, we can start grinding. As you can see, grinding is hard because the stump grinder is very heavy and is kind of slow. It also matters what stump you're grinding. Like if the stump is big and strong like this one, it will take a long time. But if it's old and it's got bugs living in it, then it should go faster. But in the end, it's worth it. If you don't have a stump grinder, you can use your brother.